Meet the Keyword Overview tool, your new SEO powerhouse for finding valuable insights fast. Start with search volume to see how popular a keyword is by region, so you can target what people actually search for. Then, check out keyword difficulty to see how tough it is to rank, helping you focus your efforts where you can win. Understand the intent behind every keyword, whether users are looking to learn or to buy, so you can match your content perfectly. Plus, CPC data shows its advertising value, great for deciding if a keyword's worth your ad dollars. Dive into the SCRP analysis for a 12-month history of top competitors, with details like rank position, domain strength, backlinks, and traffic. This lets you see exactly who's ranking, why, and how you can improve your chances. Ready for more ideas? Explore keyword suggestions for hidden gems that can fuel your next campaign. Welcome to the Backlink Gap Tool. This is your go-to tool for finding smart, actionable link building opportunities to strengthen your SEO. Here's how to use it to really make an impact. 1. Identify gaps in your backlinks. Start by entering your domain along with competitors. The tool will show you sites linking to your competitors that aren't linking to you. This is a goldmine of potential links to pursue. Look for iPage authority scores. These indicate strong, reliable sites that can really boost your credibility. 2. Capture fresh links in your industry. Use filters to hone in on new and live backlinks that competitors have recently gained. This shows you who's actively linking in your space right now. Reach out to these sites while they're open to partnerships to secure valuable links. 3. Turn broken links into wins. Filtering for broken links shows you pages where your competitors' links are no longer active. Reach out to these sites and suggest replacing the broken link with one of your relevant resources. It's an easy win. 4. Focus on do-follow links. Want links that directly pass on SEO value? Filter by do-follow links. These links signal to Google that your site is valuable and worth ranking higher. 5. Leverage anchor text insights. Review the anchor and target URLs for each link. This helps you understand the keywords competitors are ranking for and gives you insight on how to tailor your outreach and content to align with the top ranking terms. Finally, track link building over time. Use the first seen metric to find out when each backlink was established. This lets you spot trends. Maybe there's a certain time of year when new links spike, or perhaps some sites update links monthly. Timing your outreach right can increase your success rate. With Backlink Gap, you can find the most impactful backlink opportunities and make strategic outreach decisions to boost your SEO. Give it a try and start bridging that backlink gap today. Welcome to the Keyword Gap tool. If you want to outsmart your competition, this tool is a game changer. It shows you the keywords your competitors are ranking for, but you're not, plus the ones you both rank for. Here's how to use it to your advantage. 1. Discover keywords your competitors are ranking for. Start by entering your site and a competitor's. The tool will show you the unique keywords, terms your competitor ranks for that you don't. For example, if your competitor ranks for best yoga mats for beginners and you don't, that's a perfect opportunity. Create a page targeting that keyword and start grabbing traffic that's slipping through the cracks. 2. Target high traffic keywords. The estimated traffic column shows how much traffic your competitors are getting from each keyword. If a keyword is driving them a lot of traffic, it's clearly an opportunity for you. Look for keywords they're getting traffic from that you aren't ranking for yet. For instance, if they're dominating best yoga mats for hot yoga, it's time to create a more optimized page around that term to capture the same traffic. 3. Improve shared keywords. Check out the shared keywords where you and your competitor are both ranking. If they're getting more traffic from those keywords, it's time to make improvements on your side. Look at their page and figure out what they're doing differently. Are they using more relevant keywords, better content, or more backlinks? Update your content with more detailed information, related keywords, and strong internal links to boost your rankings. 4. Focus on low difficulty, high traffic keywords. Use the keyword difficulty and search volume filters to find keywords with lower competition but higher traffic potential. These are the terms you want to focus on first. For example, if you find eco-friendly yoga mats with decent search volume but low competition, that's a great term to target. It's easier to rank for, and with some solid content, it can start driving steady traffic to your site. The Keyword Gap tool is designed to help you uncover missed opportunities, optimize your content, and outrank your competitors. Start using it today and start closing the gap. Welcome to the Top Pages tool. If you want to see what's driving the most traffic to your competitor's site, this tool has you covered. It shows you their top pages and how many keywords each page ranks for in Google's top 100 results. Here's how to use it to your advantage. 1. Find your competitor's top traffic pages. Start by entering your competitor's domain, and the tool will show you which pages are getting the most traffic. These are the pages that are performing the best for them, and they can give you valuable insights. For example, if your competitor's page on best yoga mats for beginners is getting a lot of traffic, you know that topic is resonating with their audience. This is a page you want to analyze further. 2. Use the graph to see keyword distribution. The graph shows how many keywords each page ranks for in different ranking ranges. Positions 1 to 3, 4 to 10, 11 to 20, and so on. This helps you understand where the page is ranking well and where there's room for improvement. For example, if a page is ranking for a lot of keywords in positions 4 to 10, that tells you it's a solid page with potential to rank higher with some adjustments. This could be your opportunity to outdo them with a better optimized page. 3. Replicate and improve. Once you know which pages are performing the best, you can create similar content or improve your existing pages. If a competitor's top page is ranking for hundreds of keywords, you might want to create a page targeting the same topic, but with more comprehensive content, better keywords, or stronger SEO strategies. The Top Pages tool helps you uncover the pages that are driving traffic to your competitors. By analyzing the most successful pages, you can figure out where there's room to improve your own strategy and start outranking them.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check lifetime deal link in the description below.